Hey guys, welcome back to Sunset Projects. Today we're going to be changing out the front brake pads. I did the rear a while back and flushed the fluid and all that out, but I never have done the front since I've owned it. So we're going to get that done today. The pads I chose to go with are EBC V pads, and they had really good ratings. So we're going to give those a try. Just remember there's a left and right pad. They're not exactly the same. So basically, we're going to use a 5mm Allen wrench or socket, and we're going to pull the one pin out. I believe it's under this little plastic cover here. We're going to pull that out, compress the piston, and the pad should drop straight down. And then just the reverse, maybe compress the piston a little bit more, put the pads back in, and reinstall that pin. Everything should go smoothly. One thing to remember after you do that, make sure you pull on your brake several times to build that pressure back up before you go out for a ride, or your brakes probably aren't going to work right away. Not on that first pull anyway. And that's it, so let's get to it.